In this tutorial, I'm going to show how you can look up text using VLOOKUP formula. Let's look at how we can use VLOOKUP to return the text value. In this example, we have a wardrobe which has indexed or cross-reference of shirt numbers and colors. So for example, shirt number 20 is the blue shirt. Shirt 30 is yellow, and you can go down the list and see matching values. So the problem we're trying to solve, we need to find color of the shirt based on the shirt number supplied. And we will be using value right inside VLOOKUP formula that instead of referencing another cell, we'll supply the value right inside the formula. This is how it looks like. It's equal VLOOKUP 10, which is the value of the shirt number that we are supplying. B7 through C11 is the range where we're looking. Index, which is column 2, 1 is the shirt number 2 is the color, and then false for exact match. What I'd like you to do though, to make sure you understand how to do it, answer this question. How would you find color for the shirt number 30? For that, you need to download the file and play with the values. And in a second, I'm going to give you the answer. And the answer is easy. You just modify the value here in VLOOKUP formula. And instead of 10, you type in 30. And then you go to the end of your formula and then hit enter. And for 30, the matching color is yellow. Try to download the file and play with the values just to see how easy it is to use VLOOKUP formula. If you like the content, please make sure to click the like button and share with your friends. Also, there's tons of information in the description of this video. Make sure to check it out. Make sure to check out my other relevant videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of great stuff planned in the pipeline, and I don't want you to miss any of it. And if you'd like to get notified about all the new stuff that are coming out, make sure to subscribe to my email list as well. All links are here on the screen. Make sure to click to stay in touch. Thanks again for watching.